Hello, in front of me I've got threads. In this video I'll show you how to limit interactions with other profiles without blocking them. In the beginning, let's find the profile you would like to limit interactions with. You can do it from For You page, following, or from search. Next, tap on three dots button, and now you can either mute, select Not Interested, or Report. Now you can select I just don't like it, and now you can restrict the profile. Tap Done, and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.